How to turn on or off camera location tags on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Tap on Location Services at the top. On this page, turn on the Location Services switch. Then, scroll down and tap on Camera. From here, you can manage your location access to camera. For example, select Ask Next Time or When I Share. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off camera location tags on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.